Hi, you guys. Atticus is itchy. We're going to try something new today because the Kentucky Equine Research Center said that horses can eat strawberries, 1 or 2 strawberries per day. So my horses have never tried strawberries before. Let's take a look and see if they want them. Hi, this is a strawberry. Would you like a strawberry, Dora? You want a strawberry, Mama? Oh, Dora says no. How about Atticus? Would you like a strawberry? Want a strawberry? Oh, Atticus isn't interested either. Okay, well, it didn't hurt to try. Don't worry, guys. I'll bring you out an apple.